Somebody remove clothes.
Everything.
Remove everything. Enter.
I'm looking for my phone now. How will I talk to my friends? Today is the election day. What will I do? Go and call them. Go and call Uzoma. Tell Uzoma to come here now.
Let me be the chief security officer of this house. I don't secure everywhere now. I don't know who want kill you. I don't feel allow you to go outside. Maybe I no go kill you through away. Everybody they follow you and don't trust them. So nobody go enter this compound. Nobody go come up for this compound today.
Yeah. Uzoma.
Sir?
Uzoma.
Yes, sir.
Who locked up the doors?
I, sir.
For what?
For security, sir.
What security?
Your safety.
No. Are you insane? Are you mad?
Yes, sir. Are they mad? Because I don't already advise you. I don't beg you. As you not agree here, I know feel leave you. May you go kill yourself. Now, to make I secure the entire place.
I think you must be joking, eh? Anyway, Uzoma, please come and open this door.
I know go fit, sir.
Uzoma, I said, come and open this door for me.
I know go fit, sir.
Eh? Where's Okonta? Okonta!
Okay, I didn't inside this place, so she locked me. I don't even feel come outside.
Oh, she locked you up too. No, I don't understand what you mean. Are you insane?
Okay, because today na election. And I know say they won't kill you outside. You don't too bless my life. I know if you leave you, may you go die there like how.
Who will kill me? Nobody. Nobody can kill me.
Okay, that's why everybody they always talk until they die.
Listen, Uzoma, if I drop down from this place, I will destroy you. Come on, open this door. I want to go out.
Sir, once you jump down, I wound your wound last. Okay, tie your body.
Which body? Huh? Which body?
My woman, my everything.
Please, what is going on? Why are you dancing?
What's going on?
No, baby, just take a very good look at this man standing here. Tell me how much he's worth. No, for real. No, tell me how much did you think this man is worth?
Please, can you start telling me what is it?
You know, all of that toiling, late night outings, staying awake all the time,
Okay.
pressing my laptop, making calls, meeting calls, not having time for you, you know, all those problems. Guess what? It has finally paid off. This man right here is worth long money. In fact, I'm worth 120 million naira first payment.
Oh my God.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.